Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your profile picture in Netflix and how to update your avatar. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open the app. After that, go and open your profile, click on My Netflix, and after that click on your name, and after that click on Manage Profiles, and click on the pen on your profile picture or avatar. And as you can see, there is a pen icon near to your picture. Click on it, and from here you can choose whatever avatar you want for your profile. So for example, I will choose this one. And as you can see, I changed my avatar and I click on done and done again. And the avatar has changed. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.